Yeah, it's your boy and we're back at it again with another video. Oh, you know what time of day it is I am. Listen, I'm super excited, you know, but listen, before I do my thing and go on about my important subjects and that, I want to show you some love, get me? So if you like the video, you already know what you got to do, like it off. And if you love the video, you got to subscribe, blood. I'm trying to go viral, fam, I'm trying to get out the roads, dog. Listen, we're going to talk about something very important today, yeah? Very important. Ready for this, yeah? Watch. Bow! Yeah? Seat belts. Hey! Listen, you know why I'm talking about this, right? You know why I'm talking about this because everywhere I go, people are strapped up now. You lot seen Milan Fashion Week? Seat belts. Paris Fashion Week. Seat belts. Man in the Vogue wearing seat belts. I said, yo, am I a waste, man? Why ain't I got a seat belt, blood? So I had to grab that. Look at the thing, man. Look at it. Catches lights. What? Diamonds dancing. VBS ain't got nothing on me, bro. Postman's always knocking inappropriate. Trying to mess up man's vibe. I'm trying to go viral, fam. Wait, that might be important. Messing up my vibe, man. It wasn't even important. Just wanted to chit chat. I told you, I'm a star in my hood, man. Wanted an autograph and that. Nah, I'm joking. Steve's cool, man. He just wanted me to deliver something.